Today I'm going to talk about this 1989 V8 Calais. It's a 5 litre, factory 5 litre, and it also came with leather option. The seats in this car have been changed. They're actually retrimmed Caprice seats, but very similar. Just walk you around the car. So it's a Series 1. The Series 1s have this black rubber, whereas all the Series 2 have a chrome insert in the bar. This badge actually doesn't belong on this car. That only came on Series 2, but it does look good on this car. All of these cars came with the 80 litre fuel tank, if they're a V8, which this one is. Got the original Calais badge there, which are pretty hard to get these days. The original 15-inch wheels, 15x6, very small little tyres. This car's basically standard, apart from the retrimmed seats. Series 1 door trims. And a lot of people don't know that the leather cars actually had cloth insert. It's something that Holden did all the way through to the VR Calais. And the VS finally, if you had the leather inserts. These are Caprice seats. Got the little headrests from Caprice. Early Statesman's adjustable. Similar style seat to which would have been fitted to the car, but these are retrimmed. Has the original steering wheel. Original head unit. All these cars came with the power pack. It's a Calais. You got the power windows, power mirrors, 9-function trip computer, central locking, reading lights, aircon, better carpet, and soundproofing. Have a look at the motor. Standard 5 litre. The original clutch fan's been replaced on this one. The thermo fan has the SV airbox. It's all pretty standard. These engine covers are original, never repainted either, which is kind of rare. They normally peel real bad, but this car's still got them. This one has the protectors for the headlights. Came with an electric aerial. This one's not working at the moment. Side. See the back of this one, the seat's actually quite contoured because it's out of the Caprice. It's got the bigger headrest at the back. There's separate headrests. The base of the seat's got more contour as well as the centre. A lot of the HSV Senators and stuff from VP onwards used to use this seat style. The 4-spoke steering wheel, which is a much better looking wheel than the standard executive. This also was shared with the VNSS, but in the VNSS, instead of being the colour of the interior, it was black. They fetch quite a bit of money now. You can find a good SS wheel, even a Calais wheel, but especially an SS wheel. They're very hard to find in good condition. This one's obviously in auto. There wasn't too many Calais made in manual. Because it is auto, it does have cruise control. It's a pretty comfortable car for its time. It's definitely got a lot of room in the back. Not many sedans today would have this much space. It's all about design. The roof line would be a hindrance. Like a typical VN that has aircon, it does have vents at the back. The Calais do have carpet, as do the Calinas on the bottom of the doors. That's basically it. I'll start it up. You can have a bit of a listen.